Hi, my name is Hannah and I am here to help you learn Ukrainian in the most effective way, naturally and fast. I've got over 10 years of experience in teaching and translation, and I have learned myself 5 languages, so I know what I'm talking about. Here comes a bit more about how you can learn Ukrainian on this channel for free with my help. Ukrainian is my native language. However, I'm also crazy about speaking and teaching Swedish. You know why? Both Sweden and Ukraine share the same national colors, yellow and blue. Funny, huh? I will teach you to speak Ukrainian or Swedish and tell you more about this country's culture and modern life. It will be fun. Yes, besides using Ukrainian and Swedish, we can communicate using English, Russian, French. Currently, I am learning Spanish and Hebrew, just like you learn Ukrainian. So if you speak only English for now, on this channel I will help you to master Ukrainian to the confident level, just like I did in my language learning journeys. Learning languages is fun and rewarding, if you do it in the right way. Yes, of course. I've got several diplomas and certificates, including my master's degree from Kyiv National University. I was trained at a language teaching course in Sweden, and currently I'm practicing Berlitz immersive teaching method. I've got students from 5 to 76. High school students, college students, married couples, seniors. Some of them need to be ready for school, while others want to learn the language of their ancestors. I give private lessons, teach in groups, face-to-face and online. I go for a walk, draw, learn something new, or I learn a new language. Just for fun. And I have not seen anything like that on the internet. Ukrainian language channel, Ukrainian with wHanna, combines all my best language learning techniques at one place. You can learn Ukrainian at your own pace, at home and for free. I'd put it in a simple phrase: learn smart, not hard. Try to spend only 10 minutes a day on a well-structured Ukrainian lesson like the ones I offer here for free on YouTube, and you'll get quick results. You can understand and speak your new language in no time. Start today and see the difference.